Hi guys, today I'm doing this cut crease look with every product which is less than 150 rupees. And yes, let's see how did we get to this. Let's get into the video. So starting with the primer, I'm using an Insight Primer 3-in-1. This is for the pores basically, and it actually worked quite well for me. It costed me 140 rupees. Here I have Biotic Magic Air Foundation. It is very sheer in the coverage, so I had to keep on building it up, and it did a good job in the end. It costed me about 140 rupees again. Now I'm going to set my base with the Stars Loose Powder. It's in the shade Banana. It is an actual dupe for any loose powder that you get from Huda Beauty, and it did do a great job. So we're going to start with the eyebrows first. I'm going to quickly take a spoolie and set them up. And I am going to be using an eyeshadow palette and you can use dark brown or black. For me, I'll be using a black eyeshadow and just quickly get the eyebrows done. So I have the LA color palette. This was about 135 rupees, and I'm just taking a purple color here for the base and the crease. I'm going to define the crease first and then move forward for the cut crease that we are planning to do. Now as you can see, I have covered the base with purple. Now I'm going to go in with the same foundation and define the crease again. This is a very time consuming process because you've got to be very precise. So I'm going to go ahead and fast forward this for now. Now here I have a palette from Blue Heaven. This palette is not really very pigmented. That's why it works well on the cut crease. I've taken a blue color for the cut crease. As you can see, it's come out really well because of our strong base. I'm just gonna fill in the waterline with white. The Blue Heaven palette was about 150 rupees, and this white pencil is from In Color. That was about 110 rupees. So here I have finished the eye look with some eyeliner and mascara. And I'm gonna get into the base now. So for the base, again we have the Biotic foundation. I've gone ahead and fast forward this process as well. I'm just using the blender to blend in the foundation, and once I complete this process, we are getting into the contouring. Here I'm using the LA color. This is again a dupe from LA Girl. This costed me about 120 rupees, and it actually does the same job that the product LA Girl has. So good one on that. So here I am using the Blue Heaven Diamond Blush. This actually is a sort of a tint, not very pigmented if you're trying to do a proper, look. But for a regular wear, this actually works well. Here I am using the Maybelline Master Stroke for the highlighter. This actually does cost more than 150, but I got it on a discounted price through Nykaa, so it worked well for me. I'm just going ahead and highlighting the high points of my face. For the lips, I have LA 18 lip crayon. This was for about 90 rupees. It's in the shade number 2. So this is it guys. This is the look for today. I hope you guys liked the video. If so, do subscribe and share. Thank you.